darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping Latin seas will ever sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk along narrow streets of cobblestone. If I hello the east replant, I turn my collar to the cold, and then when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, split tonight and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know silence like a cancer grows. My words and I teach you, take my arms and I reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, and echo the words of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god in vain, and the sun flashed its warning in this word, and it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written subway wall, and tell me all, and whisper in a sound